Getting a good sleep is as important as being on a correct nutrition and working out. Now, most of the people get the nutrition and the workout part right, but they miss out the sleep part. If your sleep is messed up, you're going to have a shitty day with irritable behavior, grumpiness, poor concentration, low testosterone levels, and could even lead to health issues over time. To get good sleep, make sure to catch some sunlight in the morning, have a cozy, cool, dark, and quiet room, and avoid using any electronic devices as this may interrupt in releasing your melatonin hormones, which aids in sleeping. Also maintain a sleeping pattern with at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and this varies for men and women due to hormonal differences. Women may need slightly more sleep than men. Now, during your sleep, you go through a cycle of light sleep, deep sleep, and this keeps repeating throughout your sleep cycle. And this is what helps in your memory, consolidation, and overall well-being. It's also important to note that it's during your deep sleep your body releases the growth hormone, which aids in rebuilding and repairing your muscles, tissues, and bones. So sleep is not just taking rest, but an investment in your well-being. Sweet dreams.